Alam mo ba, pag may plan B ka, the higher the chance na you're gonna fail. Alam mo, there's a famous story about the Burn Your Boat story in the Think and Grow Rich book. Kung saan, there was this Spanish colony that was colonizing an island. And when they colonized that island, they realized na they were greatly outnumbered. Okay, when I did my research, just imagine this. The Spanish army was like 500 people lang. And yung kinocolonize nila na island was like 50,000. So just imagine, 500 versus 50,000. Till today, di ko naintindihan how this is possible, okay? Pero here's what happened. So the general decided na instead na mag-retreat sila, they said, let us burn our boats. So literally, before sila sumalang, they burned all their boats. Bakit? Because no retreat na. There's no plan B. There's no option B. We're not gonna go back. It's either we win or we die. Do you know what happened? They won. Okay. If you're gonna ask me paano, I don't know how they won. 500 versus 50,000. But research this. This is a true story. So what does this teach us? No? Because they did not have a plan B, the only option is to win, or else they're gonna die. And what this teaches us about business is, minsan, kadalasan, we always think of a plan B. We always say to ourselves na, oh, for example, I'm gonna get a degree because just in case my business fails, I can work, right? I'm gonna get whatever. So, kasi yun yung pasa sa amin eh. Parang, dapat may backup plan ka, no? The problem is, if may backup plan tayo, we rely on that backup plan. Pero, check this out, no? Sino ba yung mga mas yumayaman? Yung mga didn't finish college, hindi nakapag-school. Do you know why? Because they did not have another option. In short, they made it work. Pero check this out, yung mga valedictorian, yung mga summa cum laude, yun yung mga usually hindi nag-excel sa buhay. Alam mo bakit? Because sobrang dami nilang backup plan. So, how will you succeed? Remove the plan B, remove the backup plan. It's either you win or you die.